Literally every day we discover something because India has over 3,000 styles of art and craft. And we've covered around 300 of those right now. So you can imagine that every day is for us a new discovery for sure. But like some of the artists whose work has really surprised me, that you see a terracotta Saraswati maybe in the
Mm.
corner. This artist, her work is insanely amazing. She's a Shilp Guru awardee. Now, most people don't even know what is a Shilp Guru awardee. Shilp Guru is India's highest award that can be given to an artist, right? It's even bigger than a national award. So India gives around 30 national awards every year, but Shilp Guru is given only to 6 artists in a year. So it's a very limited number of master artists who get the Shilp Guru. So she's a Shilp Guru awardee as well. And she does a very specific kind of terracotta, which a lot of which she's developed on her own, which is called pinch pottery. So imagine just pinching the terracotta and making something out of it. And this entire Saraswati statue is made with pinch pottery, basically. And the kind of beautiful modern sort of decor place, like there's also two sort of flower place, which you probably can't see, which also she's done insanely amazing. And she's such an inspiring individual. She is such an ambitious artist. She has trained over 200 women in her hometown in Bardhaman in West Bengal to learn the art of pitch pottery as well. Of course, like they make smaller works like necklaces and bracelets and all, which can be used for corporate gifting and all. But imagine the ambition that she says that every woman in Bardhaman, she wants to enable them economically to be able to earn an income for the very first time. I think I just get like amazed, but also I love this ambition as well. And I wish more women artists had that also. And I think making sure that stories like her, we can really highlight and spotlight those, it'll encourage other women artists to think more ambitiously as well.